making liver tea. It is the second part of the liver cleanse. You're supposed to drink your liver cleanse mixture in the morning, and then you drink your liver tea right after. So I'm going to be doing the video on how to make your concoction. So all you need to do is get a scoopful and brew it for your drink. So for this recipe, I was only able to get the milk thistle and the golden seal in powder form. So I changed the recipe because those are in powdered form. So you're gonna need dandelion root, licorice root, gelatin root, milk thistle, and golden seal. So we're gonna start with the dandelion root. The dandelion root, I found all of these ingredients on Amazon, by the way. So the dandelion root, I'm going to do 1/4 of a cup. This is just raw, dried dandelion root. Then I'm going to do 1/4 of a cup of gelatin. A 1/4 of a cup of licorice root. And then for the powders, I'm going to do 2 teaspoons. Is it 2 tablespoons? So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of milk thistle powder. So there's 1, 2, and then 1 tablespoon of the golden seal. And we're just going to mix all this up. And then I'm just going to store it in a mason jar. And then when I need it, I just need 1 teaspoon per person. So I'm going to be doing this detox with my husband. So I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons with 16 ounces of water for each of us. So the original recipe calls for 1 teaspoon for 16 ounces. So that's all you need, and then I'll show you guys how to make it later. So after you make your concoction that I already showed you guys how to make, you're going to need 2 cups of water. Make sure you're using a stainless steel pot to do this. And then you're going to need 1 teaspoon of the herbal mixture for the liver tea. Pour that in there, put the lid on, wait till it gets to a simmer, and then turn it down and make sure it maintains a simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, so my tea has came to a simmer. I'm going to turn it down to maintain it, leave the lid on, and I'm going to start my timer for 15 minutes. Alright, so here is our fully brewed liver tea, 2 cups. Wait for it to cool down and then drink this, and then you can have regular meals throughout the day that are healthy and healing and detoxifying. You don't want to go and have a giant bowl of cereal or a whole bunch of pasta, because that's just putting toxins right back into your liver that you're trying to get out. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.